him big spoonfuls though, because he doesn't know how fully to deal with fruit in his mouth yet.
He seems to be excited about it.
I know, but I don't want to have a moment of suddenly he's gagging. But
And
it's coming out.
If you are taking a movie,
Yeah?
don't turn it because it's a pain in the ass to rotate video.
Okay, should I
Turn it back
keep
the other
it?
way?
Yeah, there you go.
Okay.
Okay. Do her.
Alright, here we go, little man. Eat up. Oh yeah.
Yay!
To do that in my wait. Yay! I wasn't sure just how
Come on, you're
mushy
gonna
to
urgent
make
eater
it.
like your
I
father.
pushed it through a garlic press.
Oh, that was a good idea. Clever woman.
Now I learned it in our first food seminar.
Oh, so sweet. I can't get it to zoom out.
It's that. Oh, you're on the Zoom though.
Trying to zoom out. Yeah, that's right.
You got it?
Yeah. Maybe it's all right. Oh yeah, it was already all the way.
He likes that. Oh. Here's a chunk I didn't get.
Oh really? You missed a piece?
No, that a chunk that didn't go through the press.
Are you excited?
What do you think? You want to try it? Got it?
Mm-hmm. There we go.
Oh my god.
You didn't choke on this.
I have never seen a child do that. I love it.
He is so excited about food. Anytime there's food around, he wants it. It's been very hard to keep from just giving him food.
Oh.
Oh, I was going to try to keep it off of this so I don't have to wash it. I feel like I do enough laundry. Yeah, you grabbed it. Can you turn towards Melissa and see his face? Look at this.
Oh, Zevin.
Woo! Seven.
He is so excited.
I got
You
it.
cannot interrupt this child.
Yeah, we'll just, we don't need that really.
No, and I'm
Yeah, what
gonna
is
wash
that?
this blanket.
What is that
whatever.
strange thing?
Unnecessary.
Right. Oh, I rotated. Sorry. For a sec.
Oh my god.
Yay.
It's in your shorts, Jordan.
It is.
Yummy.
That's pretty.
Worked.
Fantastic.
What do you think, little man?
Yay. Here, let's scoot it up off of here and maybe get it into your mouth instead of your chest.
That's really cute. Honestly, I don't think I've ever seen a kid less tentative about eating food.
There's no.
There's no
We
question.
did not wait that last week.
You're like,
This is the funniest thing.
what do you think, little man? Ready for dessert?
Banana time.
Yeah, right. Okay, a little more.
Oh my gosh.
Oops. You're gonna wash my